Hi everyone, how are you today? Today we're going to look at the long vowel E. There are many different ways to spell the long E sound. E. But today we're going to look at the most common ones. Today we're going to start with the most common one, which is EA. EA. So let's start with some EA E words. Number one, eat. Eat. Number two, eat. Neat. Next, eat. Seat. Moving on is cheap. Eep. Cheap. Each. Peach. Eef. Leaf. Let's move on to the next spelling, which is E, double E, for E, the long vowel sound. Let's start with B. B. Seed. Seed. Keep. Keep. And finally, meat. Meat. Anybody that can think of any other spellings with the EA and EE sounding long vowel E, please leave a message below in the comments. Some cases, the E sound can just be spelt with the letter E. For example, B, he, we, me. However, as I mentioned before in the beginning of the video, there are many different ways of spelling the long E sound. But we'll look at that in another video. So, for today, it's bye for now. Bye!